Let's kick off our coverage with Ariel Placencia. She is standing by live at Dallas's Fair Park. Ariel, just because all adults are eligible, it doesn't mean they'll get an appointment right away.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Izzy. So here in Dallas County at Fair Park, officials tell us they are going to be prioritizing those who are older and those with underlying health conditions. So those people are going to get appointments before individuals who are healthy, we're told. Now, we're still working to figure out if this is also going to be the case in Denton County, but I can tell you this. During this morning's Denton County Commissioners meeting, Public Health said there is nobody over the age of 80 on their wait list who hasn't already gotten an invitation to get a shot. In fact, in just the last hour, Denton County already updated their online registration form to include these new requirements, which is basically any adult in Texas.
We welcome additional eligibility.
The news that all adults in Texas will be eligible to receive a vaccine starting Monday is music to Denton County Public Health's ears.
We were running out of willing participants that were currently eligible. So this is great timing for us.
Denton County officials have been asking people for some time now to please sign up to get a shot with them. Over 413,000 have registered. More than 404,000 have already been invited to get a shot. The difference, only about 8,600.
We expected to burn through our wait list this week, even with re-invitations.
Texas Motor Speedway is handing out close to 12,000 doses every day and processing recipients in under half an hour, the county says.
We feel good about our process and we're excited about expanded eligibility.
Denton County's vaccine registration form is changing to include any adult over the age of 16 in Texas. But the process to register remains the same. Go to dentoncounty.gov. Under COVID-19 information, click Vaccine Waitlists. Scroll down, click here to visit the portal. At the bottom, click Complete Interest Form here. Fill it out and you're registered.
We're asking people to sign up. We're asking people to cancel if they can't make it.
Public Health says no-shows have been a bit of a problem. Last Friday, 20% of first dose appointments didn't show up.
We do assign people an appointment time. Some of those are not convenient. Some people have something come up.
Public Health Director Dr. Matt Richardson says some people are able to get a shot elsewhere, which is good. But if you registered with Denton County and no longer need a vaccine, they're asking that you remove yourself from the wait list to make room for other Texans who need one.
It'll be interesting to see this expanded eligibility and if we're going to add a ton of names.
In Denton,
Hard to know yet.
I'm Ariel Placencia.